All right, just a quick recap here. We purchased a GhostBed Luxe. It was shipped to us. We unpacked it. We unrolled it. We let it breathe. We began, sleeping on it the night that we got it. We slept on it for a few nights. I made a YouTube video where I kind of explained to y'all that it wasn't working out great for us. It was a little too firm. It just wasn't very comfortable. After 30 days, we pretty much decided that it was not going to be a fit for us. It was causing me quite a bit of back pain. We just didn't really agree with the mattress. At that point, we reached out to GhostBed and started the return process. It was fairly simple, just through their email support. They came back with this note at first and basically said that they'd like to send us a mattress topper. I was not interested in a mattress topper because I'd paid $1,600+ for this mattress, and I didn't really want to kind of half-ass it with a mattress topper to fix it. They came back with this note and basically said they would like to offer us a conventional mattress from their parent company, but there was a catch. All sales were final. So that was not an option that I was interested in exploring either, because obviously this one didn't work out. Why would I think that one would? From that point, they agreed to take the mattress back. They basically told us we could keep the promotional pillows that we had for $85 each, but we didn't care for them either, so packaged them up, sent them back. They arranged for Salvation Army to come out to our house and pick up the mattress. This was just scheduled for us a couple days later. So on the morning that they were to arrive, we took it out, set it out in front of the house. Salvation Army came, they got it. They left us a receipt. On the receipt, the donor was listed as GhostBed, which is what they instructed. We scanned this in, we sent it to GhostBed, and within a couple days, we got a confirmation back from them saying that our return was approved, and they credited us back the funds on our credit card. So I guess long and short is this is probably a great mattress for some, but for us it wasn't a fit. It was just far too firm. I think the foam density is just too dense, and for me being a large, almost 300-pound man, it didn't conform to me well enough. My wife being a lot lighter, it didn't conform to her either. So neither one of us really enjoyed our sleep. But I guess the long and short of this video is their 101-day sleep trial works. There's a little bit of hoops to jump through to get it sent back. Basically, they're going to try to sweeten the deal and send you a mattress topper or a different mattress, but my experience was simply decline and tell them you're not interested, or maybe you are. Maybe a mattress topper or something that does interest you, but for us it wasn't, and it was a fairly quick and easy process to get it turned around and sent back to them. So anyway, hope this video helps you. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you have an experience with the GhostBed, leave it in the comments below. I'd be kind of curious to see if you got this mattress and just absolutely loved it. Again, thanks for watching my video, and hit the subscribe button to keep track of me and my ongoing quest to find a perfect mattress. Up next is the Helix. That's kind of the mattress that we've decided to check out next, so I'll be doing a review video on it as soon as we get it set up and begin sleeping on it. All right, thanks.